Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak everyone. It's Najwa here and today I'm going to show you my version of rendang that we make at home. So first we're going to start with the marinade. I'm going to roughly chop up some onions. You're going to use about like 5 to 6 medium-sized ones. It doesn't need to be perfectly chopped because it's going in the blender anyway. And then I'm using about 5 cloves of garlic here. It depends on the size of your garlic. Some ginger. You want to slice the ginger so it's easier to blend. And then some galangal as well. Same thing as the ginger, slice it and then chuck it into the blender. And I've got about 3 lemongrass here. And then I'm going to add a cup of water. So here I've got about 2.5 kilos of lamb. I'm using lamb today. You can use beef if you want. That's fine as well. So all your blended up onions, ginger and such goes on top. So this is where my recipe differs, since I'm marinating it instead of sauteing the onions. So next I'm going to add 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, some paprika, turmeric, and here I've got cumin powder, coriander powder and fennel powder. Some salt and a little MSG. So next you just want to mix everything together really well. Make sure that everything is well combined. Okay, so now we're done. We're going to leave it to marinate for an hour. So it's been an hour. We're going to bake it. First, you're going to coat your tray with some olive oil. Place the marinated lamb into the tray. So now we're going to cover it with the aluminium foil and we're going to bake it for 2 hours at 200 degrees Celsius. So now we're going to make the sauce for our rendang. First we're going to chop the onions. Now we're going to finely slice some turmeric leaf. It's also an essential part of a rendang. I'm going to put in a little olive oil first, well quite a bit actually. We're going to put in the cinnamon, star anise, cloves and cardamom. And then add in some chili paste. I'm going to add in the onions. So once the onion has softened, you want to add in your coconut milk. Add in some water. And then you can add in some paprika, which is toasted coconut, some salt to taste, some seasoning powder, and a little touch of MSG. Okay. Turn off the heat and add in the turmeric leaves. I'm not going to use all of it, about that much. Stir that in. Now it's been 2 hours. We're going to open this up and pour the sauce over it. Now I'm going to just mix it all together. So once that's evenly mixed, I'm going to cover it and bake it at 180, actually at 200 degrees Celsius for another half an hour until the sauce has kind of like thickened up. There we have it, my version of Rendang. Try it for yourself, and if you enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Eid Mubarak! Bye! There we have it, my version of Rendang.
Bergendang.
Rendang, bergendang. Rendang, bergendang, dang, 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 dang.